Today I'll show you how to remove the green screen in Camtasia Studio. I have this picture right here. Let's right click on it and add it on the timeline, and also let's increase the size. And what I want basically to do is remove the green from the center and add a video. And I want to make it like it's playing on the screen. So let's see how can we remove a color in Camtasia, how can we remove the green screen. Well, on the menu from the left you can notice at Visual Studio, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can find remove color. You either select the video, then right click on it, or you can also drag and drop it on the video. Now let's continue. I will open the properties menu from the right, and we have to select a color. We have to tell Camtasia which color I want to remove. I don't want any other color to be removed, just this bright green. So I will press here on color and use this tool right here to tell Camtasia which color I want to be removed. I'll click on it once, and now basically I deleted the green, but I noticed some imperfections right here. Let's see how can we remove them. Let's increase the tolerance, I think, to 12. Okay, almost perfect. 13, 14, 14, removed everything. So now let's add our video on the timeline also. I will convert the entire project on 60 FPS, and now let's readjust the size of the video so it can fit almost perfectly on the screen, something like that. And now on the timeline I want to put the photo above the video. We can cut here the video, delete this part, and let's have a look on our work. And it's perfect. This is how to remove the background, how to remove the green screen in Camtasia Studio. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.